Hello, everybody. Welcome to CJ's White's Facebook page. My wife spotted these cardinals out here. She said they'd make a good video, so I decided to go ahead and do a video of it. That ain't that cute. If the camera's shaking, I know y'all are used to that. Sorry about that, but my arm's sore this morning. I don't know what made it so sore. But this pretty cardinal. Look at that beautiful cardinal. It's not every day I get to get a cardinal on video. Went behind a tree. See if it'll come out. See which side it comes out. I don't know if it's going to come out or not. Hey, there's even a squirrel over there. Let's see. Oh, it climbed up a tree. There's another one out there. Where's it at? There it is right there. It's its bushy tail. Got more of a treat. Cardinal and a squirrel. Where's it going? There he is. See which side it comes out on. The left or the right side. Oh, there it is. Got that there, right there. Them squirrels, they or something else. And of course, uh, Cardinal. What is this going to be? A battle between a squirrel and a cardinal? No, look like the squirrel scampered off. Two of them there. One went behind a tree. There's another down here. Let's see. Look at that cardinal. Beautiful. We see them all year round, but mostly in the winter time. I think it sees me. Maybe not. Hey, while I'm thinking about it, I really appreciate all of y'all and welcome my new subscriber. I now have 114 subscribers. So if y'all go ahead and like this video, go ahead and click that like button. And if you will, if you're not already, go ahead and subscribe. I sure would appreciate it. That'd help my YouTube channel. Clicking that like button and subscribing. Go ahead and comment. And if you want to, go ahead and share it if you want to. It'll also help my YouTube push my videos out there for more people to see it. Let's see. I don't know where that one went. There's. So please, y'all, click that like button and be sure you're subscribed and help me out here. Hey, y'all are the one that gets me anxious on making videos. Oh, look there. I can't get it now. It snuck up on me. There's another squirrel. Well, it disappeared now. And squirrels, they can disappear on you real quick. There's a cardinal, though. Well, where'd he go? Where'd he go? Went down that tree. The squirrel went down that tree. Did it go back up or what? That box is in the way. If I go out there and move that box, it'll scare the squirrel off. I don't want to scare it off. It's just an empty box, in case y'all wondering. The squirrel's down behind that box somewhere on the ground. I shouldn't have put that box up there last night. All right. Thanks for watching, y'all. this Sunday morning. CJ White, we're going to get on out of here. Y'all take care. God bless. Till next time, see ya.